Welcome, Bombilya Channel. Warning: parental guidance is a must. Spoilers ahead. You've been warned. I want to make a review pala about this movie that I just recently watched, or I just watched lang actually like just a couple of minutes ago. And the movie title is Lamb. Ginawa siya nung year 2021 and it got like 8.8 million views sa trailer niya. Okay, the story is about a couple that lives in a secluded area. I think this was done in Norway. I'm not sure. Pero silang dalawa lang na couple. They have this herd of mga sheeps, mga lamb. They were giving birth to a baby lamb. It just so happens na it was a half lamb and then half human. They took care of it. Considered it parang their own. It's kinda weird, but again, alam mo na, kung katulad yan, your frustration is not to have a child. It's a good thing to take care of something na the creature is human. Now, I was curious to watch this movie because of, from the trailer, I was already looking at it na it was about a mom and yung love niya to a child. Na this child is not really, hindi talaga sa kanya. And I have this dog, his name is Bazinga. He's 8 years old. He's a French poodle that I love so much. And I consider myself a proud fur parent, fur mama. And I know that I'm his maternal mom. And kaya ko siya pinanood. Kaya I find the movie itself interesting.
Wow.
So I thought I can relate to the movie. Now, part there that I did not like, that made the story messed it up talaga, was, syempre, the baby lamb had a real mom. Ngayon, when they were taking care of that creature, dinala nila sa house nila. Ngayon, that the real mom was visiting the child, the baby, of course, because that's hers. To the point na I don't know what's wrong with the lead female, the one that took care, the one that nurtured the creature. She killed the real mom, the biological mom, which is, in my perspective, I don't think I would do that. I would also take care, be grateful for the mama lamb na, we can share. Parang the greediness came out of her, which I think that was really bad, and I felt very affected. I understand the maternal thing. I mean, if I know the mom, kung nandyan yung mom, I'm sure I will take care of that man. I mean, I won't do the killing thing because I'm afraid of karma. Anyways, back to the story. So that's what happened. And then again, that's what I don't like lang on the movie. And then I don't know, parang pampagulo lang, nag-visit doon the brother of the lead na male character. And then, I don't know if parang based from the story, I think they had a thing before. And then, he saw kasi that pinatay niya the mama lamb. So, parang he was trying to blackmail the lead female character siguro para so they can have like a one night stand thing again, or I don't know. So, when she was bringing him to the sakayan somewhere there, malayo sa Metralala. What happened is, the baby lamb was with the lead character, the lead male character. They woke up, they went to the tractor. The tractor was been there for ilang days because biglang naubusan yun ng gas or something. Basta they were checking on that one. Suddenly, they got attacked. And then, surprisingly, it was the male, half human and half lamb. So, in short, the baby had a dad. It just so happens that nandoon, but again, I understand the reason why he had to kill the lead na male is because, syempre, eye for an eye. The lead female character, si Maria, she had to kill the mama. It's an eye for an eye. I understand that part. So that one, they had used to have a child and then it passed away. So ito yung nireplace nila. Ngayon, I was talking to my son, and then he was explaining to me that it's about like letting go of what happened to your old life. But again, what she did, what the lead character did was pinalit niya yon dun sa burden niya, dun sa naging depression niya when her biological daughter died. Parang pinalit niya the half creature, the half lamb, half human, which is in the story, at the end of the story, it was okay, but again, it's kinda heavy na ipapanoorin niyo siya. It's kinda heavy and a lot of dragging parts on it, and it's of course kinda weird, but where they did it really pinakita masyado na okay, parang nag-let go na ako. I have accepted it. You cannot really accept it that fast na namatay yung asawa mo, and then you just gonna do a deep inhale, exhale, and then everything is okay na. Pero again, siguro they want to make it's a movie, you have to cut it short, na parang pinakita niya na he has accepted and he has parang the forgiveness, and parang he felt na the happiness or contentment about something. And for me, parang after the movie was done, it was not okay. So I will rate it na parang out of 10, I'll give it a 5. The only thing that I really liked about it was that the bonding of her, the thing that she took care of as a child was like an animal. And because I can relate in a way, because the way I took care of my dog is like parang son ko din siya. So yun lang yung part na nagustuhan ko. Pero the rest, na kinda boring, kinda dragging, I'm not gonna recommend it. Pero if you guys are into weird stuff and you want like something na yung not wala masyad, because it's still a thriller movie. I don't think it's like a scary movie. It's not as if now you wanna watch it again. So, yan ang aking review for the movie Lamb that was shown last 2021. Thank you, and I hope you will subscribe and like. This is my first vlog that I did for my movie review. This is Bombilla Channel signing out. Bye!